Respected parents, dear students and teachers, today I will show you how to participate in Pariksha Pe Charcha, the online MCQ-based competition organized by the Government of India portal. To go to the website or portal, click on the link given in the description. On the home page, you will see a blue button labeled Participate Now. Click on it. Next, select your participation category. If you are participating individually, select Student, Self-Participation. You may also select Teacher or Parent as applicable. Enter your full name and mobile number. After that, click on the Login with OTP. You will receive an OTP on your mobile number. Enter the OTP and click on Submit button. After submitting the OTP, a new page will appear showing the student details. You need to fill the required information such as the student first name, last name, email, mobile number, gender, date of birth, address, and parent's name. After that, fill in the school details, including school name, full address, country, state, district, and PIN code. Next, you will see some activities and questions. Attempt all the questions and then click on the submit button. You need to attempt the questions one by one in this manner. Finally, you will get an option to ask your question to our Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji. Write your question in the space provided. Please note that the maximum character limit is 500 only. After submission, no modification or changes will be permitted. A confirmation message will appear asking, "Are you sure you want to proceed?" Click OK. After this, the final screen will appearing showing that your participation is complete. The certificate will be available from 12th January 2026. Thank you.